Most people think deleting an app is as simple as tapping uninstall, but that actually leaves behind a lot of hidden files on your phone. Over time, those leftover files can take up storage, slow things down, and create unnecessary clutter in the background. So in this video, I'll show you a cleaner way to properly remove apps from your phone step by step. First, find the app you want to delete. Instead of immediately tapping uninstall, press and hold the app icon for a moment. Then, tap on App Info. On some phones, you might see a small eye icon instead. Once you're inside the app settings, look for Storage or Storage and Cache. Tap on it. Here, you'll usually see options like Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Start by tapping Clear Cache, then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. This removes temporary files, saved data, login information, and other leftover files connected to that app. You might get a warning message saying all app data will be permanently deleted. That's completely normal. Just confirm it and continue. Now, go back one screen. And this time, tap Uninstall. Since you already cleared the storage first, the app gets removed much more cleanly without leaving as much junk behind on your device. Doing this every once in a while can really help free up storage and keep your phone running smoother, especially if you install and remove lots of apps. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more simple phone tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.